Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a speech by Oprah Winfrey that's known for its raw honesty and profound impact. This is not just any motivational speech, it tackles the harsh realities we often avoid. Oprah, a beacon of hope and wisdom, shares insight that changes us to face uncomfortable truths and inspire us to transform our lives. Let's explore this together and discover the powerful message in Oprah Winfrey's speech that no one wants to hear but everyone needs to. Oprah begins by addressing a common yet uncomfortable truth. Life is not always fair. We often grow up thinking that if we do good things will happen to us. However, reality is far more complex. Oprah candidly talks about her own life experiences and how she faced numerous challenges and inequities despite her good intentions and hard work. She emphasized that acknowledging life's unfairness is the first step towards resilience. It's about understanding that setbacks are not a reflection of our worth but a part of the human experience. She then moves on to another critical point, the importance of taking responsibility for our own lives. Oprah stresses that while we cannot control everything that happens to us, we can control how we respond. This is a hard pill to swallow for many because it's easier to blame external circumstances for our misfortunes. But Oprah insists that true empowerment comes from expecting that we have the power to shape our destiny through our actions and choices. She shares stories of individuals who transform their lives by taking ownership of their situation, no matter how dire. Oprah's speech delves into the concept of self-worth. She points out that many of us struggle with feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. Society bombards us with unrealistic standards of success and beauty, leading to constant comparison and insecurity. Oprah urges to break free from these societal pressures and recognize our intrinsic value. She shares her personal journey of self-discovery, emphasizing that self-worth is not something to be earned, but something inherent in all of us. Her message is clear: believe in your worth, regardless of what others may say or think. Another powerful aspect of Oprah's speech is her discussion on failure. She explains that failure is an inevitable part of any journey towards success. However, it's not the failure itself that defines us, but how we respond to it. Oprah encourages us to view failure as opportunities for growth and learning. She shares stories from her career where setbacks lead to significant breakthroughs. Embarrassing failure instead of fearing it is a vital lesson for those working towards their goals. It's a positive shift. Oprah also addresses the issues of fear of the unknown, rejection, and failure. These fears often hold us back from pursuing our dreams. Oprah's advice is simple yet profound: feel the fear and do it anyway. She talks about her fears and how she overcame them by acting despite them. Her words remind us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to move forward despite it. A significant portion of Oprah's speech focuses on the importance of gratitude. In a world obsessed with acquiring more, losing sight of what we already have is easy. Oprah highlights the transformative power of gratitude, explaining that it shifts our focus from what's missing to what's present. She encourages us to practice gratitude daily, to acknowledge and appreciate the small blessings in our lives. This simple practice, she asserts, can lead to greater happiness and fulfillment. Oprah's speech also touches on the power of intention. She explains that our intentions shape our reality. We can set clear, positive intentions. We align our actions with our goals, making it more likely to achieve them. Oprah shares her practice of setting intentions and how it has guided her decisions and actions throughout her life. Her message is that by being intentional, we can create a meaningful life aligned with our true desires. Throughout her speech, Oprah emphasizes the importance of service to others. She believes that true success is not measured by material wealth, but by our impact on others. Oprah shares inspiring stories of people dedicated to helping others, and the profound sense of fulfillment they experience. She encourages us to find ways to solve, to use our talents and resources to make a difference in the lives of those around us. Oprah concludes her speech with a powerful call to action: live your truth. She urges us to be authentic, to embrace our true selves, and to live in alignment with our values and beliefs. She believes that is the key to a fulfilling and meaningful life. Oprah's final words resonate deeply. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. She leaves us with the profound realization that we can shape our destiny through our thoughts, intentions, and actions. In summary, Oprah Winfrey's speech is a wake-up call to face life's uncomfortable truths, take responsibility for our journey, and embrace our true potential. It's a reminder that while life may not always be fair, we have the power to create a fulfilling and meaningful existence. We can transform our lives by believing in our worth, embracing failure, conquering our fears, practicing gratitude, setting clear intentions, and serving others. Oprah's words change us to look within, to find our inner strength, and to live our truth. Through hard to hear, this speech is exactly what we need to inspire and motivate us to become the best version of ourselves. Thank you for joining me today. If Oprah's message resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Until next time, remember to embrace your worth, live with intention, and serve others with an open heart.